Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching mathematics of standard 2nd, chapter number 2, addition, part 6. Students, now we all know how to add. So, let us begin with chapter checkup. Before beginning, I want to tell you that today we are going to do one activity, but at last. First, let us begin with our chapter checkup. Question number 1. Regroup only if you need to. A. 24 plus 7. So first add the tens. 4 plus 7. Which is the bigger number? 7. You have to count forward 4 times. So what comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 can be regrouped as 1, 10 and 1 ones. So write 1 at the place of ones and 1 will be carried to the tens column. Now add tens. 1 plus 2. Whenever 1 is added to any number, the answer is a number after. Remember students? So what comes after 2? 3. So our answer is 31. B. 81 plus 6. Again 1 is added to 6. So the number is 7 and 8 as it is. So answer is 87. Students, C, D and E, you have to add like this only. So this is your homework. You are going to do this in your textbook only. Got it students? F, 2, 8 and 4. Students, adding 3 digits. Remember? Now, first we have to add any 2 numbers and then we have to add that answer with the remaining numbers. So 2 plus 8 makes 10. So 10 plus 4, 14. Got it students? This G is your homework. As we have completed this chapter, so you can do these sums. Okay students? H, 46, 19 and 29. Here 9 is repeated. So we can look for double. What is the double of 9? 18. 18 plus the remaining answer, that is 6. So what comes after 18? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. 24 can be regrouped as 2 tens and 4 ones. So at the place of ones, write 4 and 2 is carried to the tens column. Now add tens. 2, 4, 1 and 2. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will write here 9 and our answer is 94. I and J, this is your homework. Got it students? Question number 2. Add down. Check your answer by adding up. A, 43 plus 21. First we have to add down. First add the ones. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 4 plus 2 at the place of tens. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we have to check our answer by adding up. So 1 plus 3, 4 and 2 plus 4, 6. Answer is 64. B, 26 plus 5. First we have to add down. At the place of 1, 6 and 5 are there. So add 6 and 5. The bigger number is 6. Then count forward 5 times. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 can be regrouped as 1, 10 and 1 ones. So write 1 here and 1 will be carried to the tens column. Now add tens. 1 plus 2, 3. So answer is 31. Check your answer by adding up. So 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is again 11. Now 11 can be regrouped as 1, 10 and 1 ones. But already we have carried this 1 when we added down. So you will carry 1 here, that is below 2, and write 1 here. Now add tens. 2 plus 1, 3. Got it, students? This C and D is your homework. Next, question number 3. Shagufta saw 43 kites in the sky. Then she saw 16 more kites. How many kites did she see in all? So first she saw 43 kites and then 16 more kites. So for finding how many kites did she see in all, we need to add them. So 43 plus 16. First add the ones. 3 plus 6. 6 is the bigger number. Then count forward 3 times. 7, 8, 9. So at the place of ones, write 9. And then add tens. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. So our answer is 59. You need to write here. She saw 59 kites in all. She saw 59 kites in all. Got it, students? Next, this keeping in touch, this you will do by your own. You have to give the place value of the digits. Remember, students, chapter number 1. So this you will do by your own. Moving further, next is maths lab activity. Students, this activity we will do when you will come to school. Got it, students? Next, mental maths. Learn, look for a pattern. Students, look here for a pattern. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. If 110 is added to 2, that is 12 plus 3 becomes 110 and 5 ones, that is 15. If 2 tens are added to 2, that is 22 plus 3. The answer is 2 tens and 5 ones, that is 25. Here, practice 7.7 plus 2 is equals to 9. So, if 110 is added, that is 17 plus 2, the answer will be 19. And 27 plus 2, the answer will be 29. Got it, students? Can you see the pattern? 9, 19, 29. Similarly, 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. So 15 plus 4 will be 19 and 25 plus 4 will be 29. Got it, students? 4 plus 3 is 7. So 14 plus 3 will be 17 and 24 plus 3 will be 27. Got it, students? Next, A. Number between 179 and 181. The number that comes between 179 and 181 is 180. Next, even number more than 6 but less than 10. What are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now the number is more than 6 but less than 10. So that number is 8. So you will write here 8. Next, 44 plus 6. So 44, what comes after 44? 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So you will write here 50. Next, 6 plus dash is equals to 12. 6 plus 6 is equals to 12. Remember students, double of 6. Next, use greater than or smaller than. 110 and 101. Which is the greater number? 110. So 110 is greater than 101. 10 tens and 1 1. 10 tens. 10 tens means students 100 and 1 1. So our answer is 101. Next, 100 plus 50 plus 6. So at the place of 100, 1, at the place of tens, 5, and at the place of ones, 6. So our answer is 156. Next, 100 more than 36. 100 more than 36. So 100 more than 36 is 136. Next, 199 plus 1. What comes after 199? 200. So here we will write 200. Next, 100 plus 3 ones. So at the place of 100, 1. There are no tens. So 0. Students, don't forget to write 0 if there are no tens. Plus 3 ones, that is 3. So our answer is 103. Got it, students? Next, number after 68. What comes after 68? 69. Next, 120 plus 20. So 120 plus 20. It gives us 140. You need to add the number which is at the place of tens and write as it is. Other numbers as it is. 59 plus dash is equals to 61. So what comes after 59? 60 and then 61. So how many are added? 2. So write here 2. Next, 102 plus 8. So what comes after 102? 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110. So write here 110. Next, 123, 133, 143. What comes after that? Students, look at the tens place, 2, 3 and 4. So what will come after 4? 5. And 100 and ones will remain same. So answer is 153. Next, 45 plus 4. So 45, then 46, 47, 48 and 49. Next, dash plus 9 is equals to 18. So 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. Next, 11 plus 19. 11 plus 19 is equals to 30. You can check by adding 11 and 19 together. Got it, students? Next, 8 plus 9 is equals to 17. Next, 30 plus 40. Students, 30 plus 40. So just add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. And write 0 as it is. So our answer is 70. Got it, students? Moving further, critical thinking skills, number sense. Students, this is your homework. You have to fill in the boxes with numbers of your choice. Like, I have dash books, my friend has dash books, we have 15 books in all. So here you have to write two numbers which make 15 when added. For an example, you can write 14 and 1 or 10 and 5 and many more. You can write number of your choice. Got it, students? Second, I have dash bookmarks. My friend has dash bookmarks. I have 3 more bookmarks than my friend. Suppose your friend has 1 bookmark, you have 3 more. So 1, then 2, 3 and 4. So you have 4 bookmarks. You can write any numbers, but remember you should have 3 more than your friend. Next, I have dash stems. My friend has dash stems. My friend has 10 more stamps than me. Now your friend should have 10 more. So suppose you have 10 stamps. So your friend will be having 20 stamps. So you can take any numbers of your choice. Got it, students? Next, visual thinking. These are zoops. These are not zoops. See, students, here all the circles are not colored. Here also all the triangles are not colored. Here also all of them are not colored. So the image in which all the things are not colored are zoops. And here either everything is colored or nothing is colored. So these are not zoops. Here you have to ring the zoops. See the first image, only 2 boxes are colored. So this is a zoop. So you need to circle that. Here in this image everything is colored, so we will not circle because it is not a zoo. Again, in the third image anything is not colored, so we will not circle it. In the last image 3 triangles are colored, so it is a zoo, so you need to circle them. Got it, students? Moving further, let's do one activity. Students, for this activity, take a pencil in your hand, write a number which you can count in 10 seconds. Take the help of your parents and tell them to set the time of 10 seconds for you. Now, start counting. Compare your answer with the number you wrote. Did you reach the number? Now repeat it again. Take another number which should be little more than the answer that you got. Now again count it within 10 seconds. So students, did you notice that your second answer is more than the first answer? In the same way, students, if you do more practice, you can do math sums very easily. Practice makes you perfect. Got it, students?